How to fix ChatGPT unusual activity error fast. Welcome to How to Mastery. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the ChatGPT unusual activity error quickly and safely. First, this error usually happens when ChatGPT detects too many logins, requests from different locations, or rapid activity that looks automated. Don't worry, it's easy to fix. Step 1. Log out of ChatGPT on all your devices. Then close your browser completely. Step 2. Clear your browser's cookies and cache. On Chrome, tap the three dots in the top right corner, go to History, then Clear Browsing Data. Select Cookies and Cached Files, and confirm. Step 3. Reopen ChatGPT and log in again using your usual account. Make sure you're on a stable internet connection and not using a VPN, as changing IP addresses can trigger this error. If you still see the message, wait a few minutes before trying again. OpenAI sometimes temporarily restricts access for security reasons. For mobile app users, make sure the ChatGPT app is updated to the latest version. You can do this from the Play Store or App Store. If the problem continues, visit help.openai.com, scroll down, and submit a support request explaining the issue. And that's it! You've now learned how to fix the ChatGPT unusual activity error in just a few simple steps. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to How to Mastery for more quick and easy tech fixes. Would you like me to also create a second script